Today is the first day I've been through clutch civilization, and I've been lived to my room without any food and anything, and I go back to sleep, and I have no crafting, no coal, just a boat, and this is what is this, man? Maybe let's check. It gave him water back. What about this? Food? Oh, are you kidding me? Maybe I need to clutch. Oh my god. I need to train. Yeah. Maybe I'm ready now. This is the running in 360. Yes, I made it! Yoo-hoo! Use this to get up. Yes, sure. I'm up. Yes. I've been through my first task, so I can get a puffer fish. Are you kidding me, man? I don't want a puffer fish. No, I don't want. Suck. Maybe at the next level. Been morning and somebody said when I clutch with this I can upgrade. Maybe, just maybe. But not now. I need more clutches. Dun 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 dun. What? You said I have to make that I need to. Oh, don't say it. I gonna name you Marlo. That's not an obvious name, and it's not the best player of Warcraft. Cut it out. Just kidding. This is a great day. I want to have this be not about please. You have to be kidding. Please. I made it, guys. Now I can leave.